The wild park perv sits over at the park. He tried to look at Lisette, but she caught him, and now he's trying to jingle his keys to God knows what kind of car he's driving. It's probably some crazy-ass van where he holds all of his young victims and touches them in places. I'm closing in on him. I don't know what he's gonna do next. Look at the perv. I'm trying to get a vantage point on him. He sits at the top of the hill. I'm closing in. I'm trying to get a good view of him. He don't quite know what's going on. I know he's a perv because I've seen him look at every girl here in the park for a very long time now. He's staring at all the young children. Fucking perv. Fucking gravity. I'm gonna try to sneak around on him. Fucking perv. Don't tell him that. Fucking perv. I don't know where I want to go next. I think I'm just gonna close in. Look at the black perv. I got a hella good shot.